Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm looking at a ligature. This is for your clarinet, for the reed, for the mouthpiece. This is a high quality stainless steel item. The company did send them to me and did compensate me to make this video so I can just show you exactly what they look like. So it comes in a bag of two, just like you see here, and they come in this little bag. So let's just focus on one. I want you to see the quality of this item. It's absolutely fantastic, the quality of the screws, the workmanship. Everything is super high quality. It's got the double screw handle here, so you can get that really tight on the actual clarinet for the better vibration, reed vibration. Really nice quality to protect the actual clarinet as well. You can see the circumference of it and how it's made. Really, you got to focus on the beauty of the construction on this item here. You can see all around. This is designed for don't worry about scratching or fingerprints. It's got that resistance on it, so you don't have to worry about that as well. And you can just look all around. It's got the double thumb, which is a screw, which I think that's really nice quality. You see that a lot in higher end items. So definitely high quality, super industrial. You can just see how it's made. I want you to really get a good look at this. Super nice. Look at this. The thumb screws are really nice and easy to access all around. It's really quite well made. Even an experienced musician or even students will love this item. It's going to last you a lifetime. When you're creating music, you want stuff that's going to work really well and give you the right tone and work with the instrument correctly. And this one here, you do not have to worry about it. This is a high quality item. So I definitely highly recommend this item. I mean, I was playing with it and looking at the construction of it, and all in all, I think it's a very high quality. The workmanship and the quality of this thing, the detail is absolutely fantastic. And I really wanted just to see nice close-up of that so you can see everything. And I highly recommend that. So appreciate them sending this to me. And I think this is definitely the way to go. And I definitely highly recommend this for your clarinet. Thanks for watching.